In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add your stocks to Yahoo Finance watchlist. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to finance.yahoo.com. Once you're in here, you'll need to sign into your account like you usually would, and from here you'll need to go up to My Portfolio tab up here in the menu, and then go down to My Watchlist. Now once you get inside of your watchlist, it should look something like this, where you can see the summary, the holdings, and fundamental, and this plus icon over here. And right underneath it, you'll see one of your watch list. Now to add a ticker, you'll just need to click Add Ticker up here, or up here in the right hand corner, and just add in a crowd lookup, which is the ticker or symbol that you want to add into your watch list. So let's just put MasterCard for this example, just select it like so, and then click Add Ticker like so. Once you can see down here, you'll be able to see that it's now inside of your watch list. And if you scroll down, you'll also see the portfolio news, where MasterCard should be visible inside of the news tab. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!